Hi, good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss area of special and general quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium. A trapezium is a 2D shape and a type of a quadrilateral which has only two parallel sides and the other two sides are non-parallel. Here we have two examples. In first example, side AB parallel to side DC. In second one, 5 meter, 8 meter opposite sides are also parallel. Here we have trapezium LMNO. Can you see here trapezium LMNO? We divided this trapezium into two triangles and one rectangle. Here area of trapezium LMNO equals area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of rectangle. Okay, listen children, here what is the formula to find area of a triangle? Yes, half into base into height. 1 by 2 into base here x, right? Into height represents h. Plus area of second triangle, half into base there y into height h, plus area of rectangle a into h, right? A into h. Here we have three terms. H common, no? So we can take into outside h into x by 2 plus y by 2 plus a, right? Also equals h into x by 2 plus y by 2 x plus y all divided by 2 plus a, right? Equals h into x plus y plus 2 into a. 2a all divided by 2, right? Then next step, h into, listen children, I am going to split 2a, x plus y, 2a equals a plus a, right? All divided by 2. Also equals h into, what about x plus y plus a? X plus y plus a represents length b, right? So what about here a and b? Length of parallel sides, right? Therefore, area of a trapezium equals height into sum of parallel sides by 2. Clear, no? Now we have rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Children, can you see one rhombus here? In a rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Bisect each other means OB equals OD and OA equals OC. Okay, listen, to find area of this rhombus, quadrilateral, no? Listen children, we can see here two triangles, ACD and ACB. In triangle ACD and ACB, base and heights are known. In triangle ACD, base AC, height OD. In triangle ACB, base AC, height OB, right? So area equals area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ACB, right? Here half into a base, how much children? AC, right? AC into height OD, no? OD. plus half into base, there also AC into OB, right? Height here OB. We have here two terms. Here half, half, AC common, no? So we can take into outside half into AC. Left over here OD plus here OB. Okay. See children, half into AC into OD plus OB. Half into AC into, what about OD plus OB? OD plus OB equals BD, no? So we can write here BD. Here AC and BD are diagonals, right? Therefore, from this we can write formula to find area of a rhombus equals half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Was it clear children? Formula to find area of a rhombus equals half into D1 into D2. Children, can you see a quadrilateral ABCD here? It is not a special quadrilateral. It is a general quadrilateral. To find its area, we have to divide it into two triangles. We divided general quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles, triangle ACD and triangle ACB. In triangle ACD, base AC, height DE. In triangle ACB, base AC and height BF. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD equals area of triangle ACD plus area of triangle ACB. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, then find the length of the side along the river. Here height equals 100 meter. Then one hint given, side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Okay, so listen children, if it is x meter, how much we can write here is 2x. Any variable you can have here children. Now listen, a here x. If a equals x meter, what about b? S becomes 2x meter. Now area of this trapezium shaped field equals how much children? Yes, height into a plus b by 2 equals 10,500 meter square. 100 into a plus b, x plus 2x all divided by 2 equals 10,500. Okay, then next step, 100 by 250, right? 50 into how much? 1x plus 2x, 3x equals 10,500. Okay, now 50 into 3, answer 150x equals 10,500. Then x equals 10,500 divided by 150, right? What about side along the river? Yes, equals 2 into 70. How much children? Yes, answer becomes 140 meter. Is it clear children?